Transforming kitchen waste into a powerful gardening solution is not just practical, it's incredibly rewarding. Instead of throwing away what's left after enjoying a snack, you can turn it into a natural fertilizer that feeds your plants and repels pests. By using this simple method, you'll not only save money, but also reduce waste and care for your garden in a sustainable way. It's amazing how something so ordinary can make such a big difference for your plants. Start setting aside those peels whenever you eat oranges. You'll need enough to gather the peels from about 10 to 12 oranges. Once you have them, the process is straightforward and exciting. Take a clean bucket or large container and pour in about 10 liters of water. If you can use rainwater, even better. It's pure, natural, and plants thrive on it. Add the peels to the water and press them down so they're completely submerged. You can place a clean, heavy object on top to keep them from floating. Cover the bucket loosely to allow air to flow while keeping debris out. Now, let nature do its work. Leave the mixture for 3 days, during which the water will absorb nutrients, oils, and other beneficial compounds from the peels, creating a nutrient-rich liquid. After 3 days, your homemade fertilizer is ready to use, and there are 2 effective ways to apply it to your garden. The first is to simply pour the liquid directly onto the soil around your plants. This enriched water soaks into the ground, reaching the roots where it delivers potassium and other essential nutrients. These nutrients strengthen the plants, helping them grow taller, develop healthier foliage, and produce vibrant blooms or bountiful harvests. It's like giving your garden a refreshing, nourishing drink. The leftover peels can be composted to continue the cycle of enriching your soil. The second way to use this liquid is as a foliar spray. Strain the liquid to remove any remaining pieces of peel and pour it into a spray bottle. Mist this nutrient-packed solution onto the leaves of your plants. This method allows the plants to absorb nutrients directly through their leaves, giving them an immediate boost. Plus, the natural compounds in orange peels act as a pest repellent. Common garden pests like aphids and whiteflies dislike the citrusy scents and oils, which means your plants get protection along with nourishment. Spraying this mixture also leaves a refreshing citrus aroma in your garden, making the experience even more enjoyable. This simple yet effective method is a fantastic way to nurture your plants while minimizing waste. It's an easy, eco-friendly solution that turns something as ordinary as orange peels into a gardening powerhouse. The results will speak for themselves as your plants thrive with greener leaves, sturdier stems, and fewer pests. If you love this idea and want to discover more creative gardening solutions, visit our channel. We have plenty of tips, tricks, and tutorials waiting for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any of our gardening secrets.